Well, I've welded two halves of a horizontal bar. And pay attention to the welding seams. I boiled all the pipes from the inside so that the welded joints could not be seen from the outside. After painting, I will insert plastic plugs in front and back. The welds will hide and they will not be visible at all, so that the handles of the horizontal bar can connect with the bracket. I will take the hinge of the drive shaft. It has 22 slots on the outside and 22 slots in the inner sleeve. It turns out to be a slotted pair, which I will cut out of this axle hinge.
Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle. And we going back to back on the...
I cut out the inside and the outside of the spline joint. I have previously welded a special device that will help to set the same degree to the slots. After the part is welded in it, the handles of my horizontal bar will be interchangeable. Now I can make a bracket for the handles of my horizontal bar.
All here like we and we rally. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow. Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything been Gucci, got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche. Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to Vizzy. At the Millies, out on Club Hers, give the word if it's...
Here it is, my perfect bracket. I cut the profile pipe at a special degree so that I could fix the bracket to the wall and hide the caps from the mounting bolts behind plastic plugs. I will also make wooden decorative linings on the slots so that they do not spoil the appearance of the bracket. The most important step that I have to do is to weld the sleeve with slots into the handles of the horizontal bar. At the same time, it must be done very clearly so that the same handle always connects to the bracket and is absolutely perfect at an angle of 90 degrees. So now I need to make another device. For this conductor, I used pipe trimmings that I often have left over from other projects. Everything will work as follows. I take the spline sleeve, put it on the slots, and install the handle. The sleeve is clearly located in the middle. This is the place where it should be welded. Now you can carefully weld it around the entire perimeter. Thanks to this simple device, I hope I will be able to quickly and smoothly make several horizontal bars, and at the same time everything will be welded smoothly and at a clear angle of 90 degrees. Everything is ready, now my pull-up bar can be docked and see if it turned out to be welded smoothly. Yes, everything is fine, I am satisfied. Now it remains to paint the horizontal bar, which I will do now. Well, it's been 2 days since the horizontal bar was painted, and look how good the metal tinting with Raptor paint composition looks. I diluted this paint with a solvent and it turned out to be a very fine grain and a good matte surface that hides all defects. Now it remains to apply my logo. I will apply my logo using a Watson laser marker. This is an optical fiber marker and it can perfectly apply any image on all types of metals, some plastics and other various surfaces. Watson marker power is 50 watts. I'll put the logo on the bracket, make 20 passes for each letter and you'll see how easily he can handle it. Wow, that's beautiful. The marker did it in 5 seconds. It's a completely different matter. Let's install it now and do a little test.